great. We've all been there. On your way to something important, flat tire. Got 6 easy steps for you. We'll get you back on the road quickly. First off, find your vehicle's spare tire, jack, and tools. Consult your owner's manual for their location. Next, with the vehicle in park, break the wheel nuts loose while the tire is still on the ground. Raise the vehicle off the ground using the supplied jack in the designated area illustrated in your owner's manual. With the vehicle in the air, completely loosen and remove the wheel nuts. Now you can remove the flat tire. Install the spare tire and snug the wheel nuts in an alternating pattern. Lower the vehicle and tighten the wheel nuts once more with the wrench. And after a few short minutes, you're ready to go again. And don't forget to swing into Edwards, get some great deals on some great tires.